How to use your address book. There's more than one way to access your address book within the GeorgiaVIEW mail. One way is to look on the left under Folder List and click on Address Book. You can view your different people in your address book as well as create a starting point for composing emails to certain people by checking the boxes. Another way to access your address book is by going back to your mail home and clicking on Compose. After clicking on Compose, click on Address Book. Now you will have an option of who you want to send your email to, who you would like to carbon copy onto your email, and who you would like to blind carbon copy onto your email. You may filter your list by your different courses, or you can do it by all of your contacts. Simply select the people you would like your email to be to. So if you just want one recipient, click the box, and then right above your list, click on To. This will put their email address into the box next to To. If you would like to carbon copy someone onto your email, simply click in the box next to their name and then click on CC. This will put their email address into the CC box. And then finally, if you would like to blind carbon copy someone onto your email, you will do the same steps by clicking on the box next to their name, but then you will click on BCC. Once you have put all of your email addresses into the different boxes that you would like, push Add Recipients and continue on with your email.